Hello? What happened? I don't... Can everyone see me? Okay. Hello? Okay na? Hi. Good evening, everyone. Hello? Okay. Can I invite you? Wait a minute. Okay, still. Oh. Hi. It's hot here also. You see, I'm sweating. So, can you come? I already invite you, right? That one. Hello, big sister. How are you? Good evening. Wait. I... Hello po, TPC Jobs. Thank you very much. Oh, oo, alam kong busy-busy ka, pero na-appreciate ko yan. Thank you so much. Ayan, babatiin ko din yung aking mga kabatchmate, mga classmate. Good evening ka sa kaninyo namin. Sana next time, kasama ko kayo. Asan ka ngayon, sis? I mean, sa ibang bansa ka ba? Ang init dito sa Bicol. Napakainit. Hello, big sister. Thank you, big sister. just for a while. Hello, how are you?
I've done it. I've managed it.
Hello po.
I'm
Salamat,
good.
Sis Michael Tesson. Hello, thank you po. Thank you, salamat po. What are you drinking?
A cup of tea.
Just water.
Yorkshire.
Okay.
York. No,
What are you
Yorkshire.
going to do
Yorkshire.
today?
Yorkshire tea.
Okay. Sis Ariza,
Well,
Borjus. Thank you very much, sister. Tatandaan ko yung name na yan. Salamat ng marami, ha? Okay. What coffee is that? It's a Filipino coffee, right? Coffee co.
no, no.
Why
It's
no?
Yorkshire tea. It's
What
Yorkshire tea
happened?
bags.
Where's
York.
your coffee? Filipino coffee.
I've only got a few left. I need to buy some
Oh,
more.
you have to order it again.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you should. But
It's a beautiful.
slow
Look at that
down.
beautiful day.
Yeah.
Beautiful day.
So, by the way, I just want to ask about the jar. Are you last time you are collecting the jar? I mean, you are cleaning all the jars that has you've been found it long time ago. So, may I see that?
Oh.
Ingat ka parati,
Uh,
Sister TPC Jobs. Hindi ko
just a
matandaan yung
minute.
mga name.
Let me change the camera around.
Okay.
How do I change the camera? Oh no, that's.
No, you
How
just
do you
show like
change?
that. Selfie. Oh, yeah. That one. Hope you can bring it in Philippines.
There we are.
Yeah, a lot of collections.
Yep. Some of the old
So,
pipes, clay pipes.
yeah. Is that antique or
Uh,
opo,
these are.
opo, sister, tambay mo lang po. Salamat ha. May mamaya meron akong bibigay sa iyo. Ha? Okay.
But
What is
there's
that?
everything.
So,
A
how did you
lot of things
get
for
it?
That's Wakefield.
Yeah. How?
This is
Okay.
Wakefield. I mean, look at the beautiful colours.
Is that a beer? A bottle of beers or no?
No, that's mineral water.
Oh,
Used
okay.
to have,
No, nice,
they had water.
nice bottle.
Yeah, no,
Is
these were
is
water.
it is that an old bottle, right?
They're all old. They're all about 100 years old. Everything.
Okay. You
Maybe
can you don't you know
maybe
how long
a
it
couple.
maybe the age of that bottle, and how did you get it? How did you collect it?
Just a second. And these,
Okay.
let me just show you these. Right.
Yeah. What's
These are
that?
for whiskey. You got
Oh.
the whiskey. You had them from you bought them in the pub, and they had whiskey in them. So whiskey flasks.
Yeah.
And what else? Right. Just them there, but here we are. I've many more.
Yeah. So what are you going to do with that?
Well, I'm going to try and sell them if I can.
Just like here, but I
And
guess it's expensive because
these are the
it's
others.
years old. How long it is? It's about 30 years old, 20 years old, something like that.
Look at them.
You should bring it to Philippines and
See,
I
see
can sell it
these,
more expensive. Oh my-
these,
yeah, so nice.
these, the-
Hello,
these are
welcome
ink to put ink
back.
in the.
Sister Ethel, thank you very much.
Obviously, it's for
Yeah,
rum.
what's that?
Ah, I'm back.
Okay, actually, I have to translate it in Tagalog. Pinapakita niya yung mga
Okay.
nakuha niya noong mga 30 years ago na mga jar na beer at kung ano-ano pa. Thank you, Aisel, Fel, thank you very much. So, I guess you have to bring some of it for me. Thanks, Doc. Say hi to them. Can you see them? The name in the chat room.
No,
Say
I can't
hi
see.
to them.
I can't see who's in the chat room when I'm on. When I'm in the camera with you. Look at these.
Okay.
This one. Look at this one.
Shout out, Aisel, the dog. I miss you. Yeah, what's that?
And look, in the top. Hang on. You can't see it, but
Yeah. Mga
inside
kolekta
there
niya yan yung mga
is
na bungkal niya
a
sa
marble.
hukay. Mga 30 to mga 100 years old. Okay, I'm explaining about what about
Yes,
it. Okay, so
just like me, 100 years old, like
yeah,
me.
you're just like you, 100 years old bottles.
Oh dear. Yes.
Yeah.
So I don't
So
know how you turn the. Hang on, I can click on this thing.
yeah, I.
Oh
But
no, nothing
there's a
happened.
big jar. Is that a beer for the beer or what? Wait. Pinapakita niya yung mga bottle na nahukay niya noon sa, alam mo yung mga landfill. Tapos naglinis siya doon sa garage niya. Nakita niya uli. Okay, okay. Yeah,
I'm back.
yeah. So today,
Well,
what are you
I
going
can't.
to do?
Uh,
What?
we're going. We're going out. We're gonna go shopping
Oh,
again.
for your second time in the shopping mall, be careful. It's not yet safe this time.
No, it's where we going. It's all outside. You only
Okay,
have
just be careful.
everything's outside. I'll make a video.
Okay.
I'm going to show you something.
What's that?
Right. You see this?
What's
Right. Can you guess? Can you guess what that was for?
Right.
Have a guess.
Turn it around. Water.
Correct. Yes, it had water,
Okay.
but let me show you.
I guess
Just
it costs
making a
a lot
little bit of
because
room
it's been a long
here
time ago.
on the table.
a collectible items.
Right. It's pot. It's made from pot. You're
Yeah,
correct. It was for water, but this unscrews and
yeah.
you put hot water in there.
Okay.
Hot water,
Yeah.
and then fastened it back up, and then you put it into the
And
bed.
then
So
it's
it
like
warmed the
it's
bed
like a
up.
water heater. It's like a
It's
water
like
heater for
it's called a foot warmer.
okay.
It's a foot warmer. So
Yeah.
basically, you used to put hot water into it, put it into the bed before you got
Mhm.
into bed, and it used to warm the bed. When you got into bed, you keep your feet warm.
Oh, that's good. You have
It's
to bring it
that
for
must be that must be
no. Ay, ano yan, mga
80 must be
kasi
80
nasa
years
Malaysia.
old.
Yeah, I will explain to them
Maybe
what's the collections.
maybe 50. Yeah.
Yeah, mga collection na yan, yung bali mga nahukay niya noong
Okay. All
panahon.
right.
So, yung iba dyan may 100 years old. Eh, naglinis siya doon sa kanyang garage. Nakita niya ulit. So, sabi ko, ano niya, tingnan ko lahat. Ayan, sabi ko, dalhin sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang sabi niya, napaka-expensive daw pag dalhin sa Pilipinas. Mga collection lang siya na nahukay. Pero mga, ano yan, items na matatagal na. Hey, okay, go ahead. Your turn. Your turn. Okay.
Oh dear,
Okay.
my turn.
Your turn.
My turn. Let's have a look. Oh, that one. It says Tadcaster Brewery, Wakefield. Beer bottle.
How old is it? How old is
That's
it?
only about maybe about 70.
70 years or 17?
Yes, maybe about 70. About 70.
Older than me?
50s, 40s, 40s, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 60, 60. Yeah,
Oh,
about 70 years old.
oh I'm not yet, I'm not yet alive yet. I'm still somewhere in heaven. Oh my God.
Listen,
So old.
I,
Older than you.
I remember going. I
Oo
remember
nga
going
eh.
to the pub to buy that.
Magaling siya mag-collect. Hello. Hello, Sister Lou. We're talking with my partner. He's telling all his collection that is for 30 years ago. He got at the bottle. But some are 70 years, some are 100 years old bottle, a drinking bottle. So you can show it again for them. Okay. So what's your plan for that? Sell it. Sell it. Hello
Yeah, I'm
po,
gonna sell it.
Moima
I'm,
po,
I'm,
Mix Vlog, Kamustard. Thank you very much. Say hi to them. Even you can see them. Say hi to them.
yeah.
Can you say
Hi
magandang?
everybody. Hi everybody.
Hindi, can you
Magandang.
magandang gabi? Because it's night here.
Umaga.
You say magandang umaga is
Oh, it's night.
morning.
Okay. It's
Yeah.
morning,
You
but
know,
it's
yeah, it's
morning here.
morning here. Yeah, magandang umaga. But here it's
Uh,
night. So
yeah.
you say magandang gabi sa lahat.
Okay. Have a pipe.
What's that? Oh yeah.
A pipe.
How
A
old is
clay.
it?
It's a clay pipe.
Yeah. How
And
old?
it's got writing on it.
Yeah.
It's got a hand. About 100 years old.
100 years old? Okay, bring it here.
About 100.
I can
But
sell it
that's the
1,000.
collection there, guys. Like I say, and I've got it all here as well, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, these
Good you keep it
these are
like that.
these are marmalade. Used to keep marmalade in these.
Yeah.
That
Frank
Frank Cooper's
Cooper.
marmalade. James
Thank you sa lahat na
Keeler and
nanonood ha. Thank
Sons.
you very
These are
much. Well appreciated. Appreciate ko po. Thank you.
that's everything.
Oh. They are there.
These Wakefield.
Okay.
Wakefield.
So it's product of Wakefield, not in any area of London. It's in Wakefield.
No, no, it's all over. I've got a lot of things from Wakefield,
Yeah.
which I keep because they're from Wakefield. So I'll never sell those. I'm going to keep all those.
Yeah.
Everything else
Keep it
that
because
I've
it's a
found and
treasure.
acquired
You
and
know,
acquired.
antiques is very expensive.
Yeah,
Yeah. You have to keep it.
but I will. I will,
And you can bring
but I'm
some
not
here in Philippines.
bringing
I wanted
it
some
to the Philippines. Too heavy.
No, not the small one. The only one or two or three. Not all. It's not heavy.
Oh, one, one, one or
Four
two
or
or
five.
three or four or
And
five.
forget all the tools. Forget the tools. Just bring it for me.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, I've got to bring the gravy. We need the gravy.
Oh, mashed
How
potato again.
many people?
Mashed
How
potato
many
again.
people
If you
watching?
come to Philippines, you should learn how to eat rice.
Eh? Because I can't see what.
I said, if you are here in Philippines, you should learn how to eat rice.
No, no.
No, no. Why
I
no,
said
no?
how many people are watching because I
For
cannot
now,
see.
because
I cannot see how many people are watching.
I can't see here. It's another. If I use the direct live stream, I can see it all. But here it's like four, but I cannot see how the name. Thank you
All right.
very much.
Okay then.
Thank you, Saik. Thank you very much. Alam mo, papatay-patay ang ilaw. I guess there's having trouble again for the light today. The light is blinking, blinking, blinking.
Again, really?
Maybe not. Not maybe there's what you call this electric. Yeah, what's that? My English already. Whew, my English.
I don't know.
Oh, I'm nose
Yeah, you're
bleeding.
English. I know.
Yeah,
Yes,
terrible,
you do.
terrible
You do
English.
get a nosebleed.
Oh,
You need a man. You need a man. You need a manual.
hey, don't. It's okay. It's an Filipino English accent, so never mind it. If you are here, you should speak in Filipino accent, not in a slang
A
or
manual.
British accent, because it's hard for us to understand.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not
Manuel.
really. So how's it seems the weather is good today.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, blue
Oo,
skies.
yep. Fruto, wakal burara. Ano ba 'yun? Anong name mo sa sa Facebook? Nalilito tuloy ako. Saan ba 'yun? Okay lang yung apat kasi actually yung
Beautiful
ang
today.
importante may mag-stay. Ang init, sobra. Too hot.
Oh. Hmm.
Hello, big sister. How are you? It's too hot. Very hot.
Oh. Right. We're going to get ready to go out now then.
Okay. Okay. Ah, yan. Ethel pala, o nga. Okay, you have to take care and be careful of driving. Don't go and lot of...
The cat's
Yes.
outside.
Okay. Nice weather.
The cat. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful weather. Not snowy. It's too hot. So, what time are you coming back?
I don't know. We'll be. I don't know. We might be 2 hours before we get back.
Okay, you take care and
It takes.
don't go
It
where
takes
if there's
about.
a lot of people around.
Oh, it takes about 20 minutes to drive there.
Okay, okay. Be careful.
So,
Be careful. Wear your mask. Wear your mask.
yes, boss.
Yes.
Will do. Yes.
Yeah.
Wear a mask.
Don't
Yes.
stay where there's a lot of people overcrowded. Yeah. So you
Yes,
have to
boss.
you can go back home to Philippines safe.
Hopefully this year.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Just be careful.
Right, guys. Everybody that's
Okay.
watching, everybody that's there, I'll see you all again on the next live feed.
Yeah.
We need to
Also
join in.
subscribe his
Mary
YouTube.
needs.
Okay, your turn.
Right. And what Mary needs to do, she needs to invite other people to join. And we can all talk, all see each other and talk as well. But take care, everybody. Look after yourselves.
Yeah.
Be safe from this
Okay.
virus, of course, this nasty virus. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, the British Bicolano, always there. It would be grateful. Cheers,
Welcome.
everybody. Take
Okay,
care.
thank you. Thank you,
I'll see.
Twin, Steve, BFF,
I'll,
and my
I'll,
partner.
I'll see.
And
I'll
my
talk to you.
enemy.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Ayan na. Magsha-shopping siya. Second time kasi nag-lockdown sa kanila. So, second time pa lang siyang makakalabas at magsha-shopping. Most of the time, lakad-lakad lang siya sa mga field. Ngayon, pupunta siya doon sa city. Ay, nako. Thank you pala. Thank you very much. Salamat. Salamat sa istorbo. Bye. Night. Oh, basta ikaw, tawagan mo din ako. Anytime, tatambay ako sa'yo. Parati akong free. Free daw. Kaya lang istorbo yun eh. Istorbo. Madalas yung task ko nahihinto. Gawa ng yung time namin. Kailangan syempre pag ano na siya, free, kailangan stop na lahat. Good night. Ako din at ako magdi-dinner na ako. Night. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Thank you. Salamat. Good night. Hindi ako, okay. God bless sa lahat. Mwah. Love you all. Thank you.